Hello friends, welcome to Mariner's Fun. Today in this video I am going to explain hidden figure problems, or we can say embedded figure problem, which comes under a spatial concept or non-verbal reasoning. Let us check example. We have given 5 figure A, B, C, D, E, F, and question is, in this figure which figure is embedded? So then we can check it very easily. This figure is embedded, or we can also say that after taking mirror image, this figure comes not looks like this, and this figure embedded in this. Okay, see next problem. In this problem we have to find which figure is embedded in it from the option this. So we can simply say that this cube embedded in this figure. Okay, now we can solve 10 problem of embedded figure. Let us start. We have given 10 figure and one of them is embedded in the given figure. The first question is, in this figure which figure is embedded in it? So we can simply see that in the front face we have a heptagon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that means heptagon is given. We can simply see that this figure is embedded in it. How? This figure is take mirror image, this side goes up like this, and you can simply see that this figure is embedded in it. Now see the problem. Second, in this figure which figure is embedded? This circle and this star is embedded in it. Okay, now check the problem third. We can simply solve this. This star is embedded in it, because this type of problem you can simply solve by seeing the figure where is figure embedded. Now solve the problem fourth. In this problem we can see that this size matching in it, but this and this is not matching, so this will not embedded in it. But we can check this cube is embedded in it. Simply this cube is embedded in it, because when we see this figure, what we will see? Simply we see cube, and this is given in the option. That means the figure G is embedded in it. Now we can solve the problem 5. Let us check. In this problem we can check this problem is not embedded, not this. Let us check in this problem. It is also not, because the length is too big as compared to this. Length is too big, so it will not, this figure is not embedded in this figure, because we cannot simply seeing it we can say that this figure will not embedded in it. Now check this figure. This figure is also not embedded. When we check, there is no cube in this figure, so this figure will not embedded, and not it. And heptagon is also not embedded. Check, is there any heptagon? No, there is no formation of heptagon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There is no formation of heptagon, so the remaining figure is I. That means this will embedded. Check it. This this, this. That means it is matched. Now this figure and this figure, and then you can check it. Cube. Simply see the figure. Okay. In this figure you can simply check. That means the figure I is embedded in this figure. Now check the figure 6th. In this figure we can say the symbol this in this figure. Okay, now check the figure 7th, and now we can say that this figure is embedded in this figure by seeing it. Now we solve the problem 8. In this problem we can embed the figure this. This problem is embedded, this figure is embedded. How? Okay, or we can say that by rotating this figure. Okay, now so we can solve the problem 9th. In this figure we can say that this figure. Okay, oh, you can simply see in this figure, okay, you can see. Now the figure 10th. No, this figure is not commanders. The figure comes is this. Okay, you solve this problem, the given problem, very fast and easily, but in the third or fourth part of hidden figure problem I will bring level, I will increase level. In the next part I will bring 10 problem related to hidden figure, which is not so hard, but in the part 3rd and 4th the level will be increased. And if you liked my video, please don't forget to share, and please subscribe my channel, because I will bring video for synergy and mariner exams. Thank you.